day, new adventure. I'm out here, JG Ranch, about to go and check out some milk sheeps. Going to the sheep farm, baby. Like right now I have shearless sheep that grow their wool, but I don't have to shear it. It just naturally flows off, and they're more of a meat sheep. So I'm going to go get some dairy sheeps. Right, you know. So headed out to the farm, checking it out, and it's a place I've never been, so I get to see all this beautiful countryside. Look at all the other different people's farms, ranches, and things like that they got out here. See what kind of resources they got out here. You may find a different store that I've never seen before, you know. But just beautiful countryside with the beautiful mountain views. Just get to take a beautiful leisure drive and enjoy, you know. Enjoy life, man. Enjoying life every day. When you find something that you love to do and you can make some money off of it, man, come on, man. Ain't nothing better than that, you know? So we all need money to live out here. We know that. So to be able to find something that you like to do and be able to support yourself, your family, whatever you have. But I got some young snacks right here, man, and I'm telling you right here, you know, they don't pay me to promote this stuff right here, man, but these little honey roasted almonds, fire, man. I got a nice little 45-minute drive. Actually, probably more like an hour. But I got like about 40 minutes left. And pop a couple of these almonds, man. Give me that energy. Healthy, you know. So delicious. So just sitting here enjoying the view. Already talked to the guy about the sheep. So, oh my God. Oh my God. There's no bank over here. I'm probably going to have to turn around, man. Well, I'm going to stop this recording because I got to call this guy and see if I can pay him and any other fashion. See if there's a bank out there. See if there's a gas station. I can at least go to the ATM. So, I'm going to cut this video short. I'll get back to you when I get some sheep. Yada.